Hey everyone, vvx250 that will not power up on POE. So this cable right here has been verified to have a working POE connection coming from the switch because I used it on another phone. I plug it into the network port back here and nothing. Now if I go and I look at my POE switch, I can see there's like a little kind of heartbeat on the switch port that comes on about like once every 2-3 seconds, like it's trying to start, but it won't. Now, interestingly, if I take the power supply that came with the phone, so this is the adapter, and I plug that in, then the phone boots up. So I don't know what's causing this yet, but this is the symptom. So if you've got a POE phone that won't boot up on POE, or at least won't power up, try using the power adapter. But I still am going to investigate what's going on with the POE. Well, so my conclusion was there was no fix. I had thought that if I factory defaulted, that it would solve the issue, but then I put the POE plug back in and didn't make a difference. So if you do have this problem, you could try using the power supply if you've got it. That's a workaround, but if you really want to use the POE, that's not really a fix. All right, well, if anybody does know what's causing that problem and a way to fix it in the field without having to swap out the phone via RMA or factory repair, please comment. Thanks for watching.